Hi guys, it's Marco and Jamie here, Fully Loaded Cars, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're filming episode 6 of the TVR Sagaris hybrid build, and yeah, we've got the engine in.
Before Marco and Jamie show you the engine, we need to go back to last week where they just fitted the Sagaris rear end to the Cerbera body.
The chassis fitted to the body, and what else did we? Oh, and we didn't want to cut off all the back, all the floor, but we ended up cutting all the boot floor. On the Cerbera rear quarter, Jamie noticed that this
different.
It was a completely different shape to this side, and that was from factory.
Yeah.
So we had problems getting the new rear end centralized with some cutting and some tweaking and some swearing, a lot of swearing.
Yeah. It's part of the process.
It's part of the process, yeah. We got the rear end on, so yeah, that's where we are today. Since Connor was down last, which was a couple of weeks ago, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, we fiberglassed the inner wings. So this is connected to the inner wings now. There was a big space here, and also on the Cerbera, we'll show you on the doors in a minute, there's like a swage line that goes through here, which is horrible. So we got rid of that, and we actually made some templates to give us the rough shape that we need. So we made these metal shapes, and we had that bolted onto the shell, and then we fiberglassed the inside, and then we fiberglassed it outside to get the rough shape. We did that to both sides. So we've basically got the two ends joined together. So we're going to get the basic shape done today, get the doors done, get the rear end in fiberglass so it looks like it's one piece. This is what was giving us so much problems. Like this wing, it's bolder. It's got a different curvature to the other side, and the original wing was like this, and the other one was flat.
Yeah. This one was like a little bit higher. So every time we stuck it on, it was like this, basically. So
we thought it was the ramp, because the ramp needs adjusting. The ramp was a bit off, and we put the laser in, and oh man, it was nothing. It took us a couple of days just to get it all lined up, you know. Oh, that's another thing. The original filler cap was here. On the Sagaris, it goes here. I've left both options available at the moment, because we don't know if the fuel filler pipe on the Sagaris will hit the wheels, because the wheels are huge. We've got 19-inch wheels going on this, and they're tucked. But yeah, all options are still available for the Suicide, but it might look, you know, because you're going to have space in there for one bag and maybe a helmet. Once you know your race.
Don't need much more. You're not going to go shopping in this.
You're not going to go shopping in it. Yeah. So that's where we are today, and it's all pretty much sturdy. So once we get the engine in and we get the front suspension on, the shell will be taken to my friend's garage, and he builds race cars, and he sets up suspension. That's what he specialises in, all the track rudder and arms and all the prop shafts. So he's going to make it all very safe, very road legal. Everything's going to be fully adjustable, so you can have it on the road, you can have it on the track. Soon it'll be on 4 wheels. It'll be taken away for a couple of months to get all the suspension rebuilt, and then it'll be back, and then we can finish it off.
Pick on a colour.
Yeah.
Pick on a colour. Yeah.
Bayside blue.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe orange too.
Midnight purple free.
No. Bayside blue. I don't know. Candy apple red. I don't know. Loads of choices out there. Leave us some comments. Choices. What colour would you like to see it in? I know I'd like to see it in orange maybe, but I don't know. It all depends. Like I said, all depends who buys it. And again, another option we're leaving open is if it's going to be left-hand drive or right-hand drive, because if it gets exported to Dubai, China, whatever, America, all left-hand drive over there. So, you know, I've had the dashboard scanned, so I can make a copy of the dashboard on it for a left-hand drive model. So yeah, all options are available at the moment. So yeah,
buy it when you can. Like, the options are available. Otherwise you have to deal with it.
Yeah. But the doors are huge. Let's have a look at the doors. These are the Cerbera doors, yeah. And this is the swage line that goes all through, you know, goes from front to back on the original car. Not liking it at all. It just doesn't fit with the front end, does it? It's got that nice scoop. So on the Sagaris front end, we've got that line that goes into the doors, that goes from the front wing, which is this line here, and it'll go all the way to the back. So it'll have a nice swage line going all the way down the center of the car, instead of this ugliness. Jamie's removing all the paint, so we spare fiberglass like the shell. We're going to cut this center section away. We're going to get a plate on the inside to block the hole, and then we're just going to refiberglass the door skin. So we'll literally making a new door skin. I also got to think of door mirrors for this. I'm not sure what door mirror, because we didn't get door mirrors with the car. That's all operate on poppers. So we'll have to get a popper switch on the mirror. So I don't know, we're thinking maybe an Audi TT, a late Audi TT door mirror, because it's got the indicator in there and stuff like that. So yeah, but that's something I'll think about later. But for now, we want to get this out of here and fiberglass the complete door. And the whole door will have to be completely fiberglass, because the shell is bigger now. It's a lot wider because we've rejoined it, so we'll have to do the same with the doors. Actually, he's having his tea break.
You should bark now.
Oh, actually.
Good, huh? Yeah. I'm saying more here, is it where it's like kind of connecting the two?
Yeah, because it's low.
Yeah.
So we're blending the two together.
Yeah.
So we'll get that bit done first, and then we'll do it all in one go.
So building it up first.
Yeah, building up the low spots.
Yeah.
Because if you put it on all of it, you're just going to keep the high spots. You're going to just keep taking away.
Yeah.
And so we'll build up the low spots first, and then once we get it nearly there, and then we'll do the complete quarter.
Yeah.
But yeah, that side's nearly there. The next one will be the
final one.
Yeah, will be the final one. Yeah. Right. See that bit there. That bit there is straight, and this bit here is a little bit curved. See this bit here? See this distance here? It's a little bit curved. The other side is straight, so this side it's got too much on it.
Oh, yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
I want it like this. I want it like this side, not like that side. The other side still got the kind of shape from the Cerbera, so we want it flat to so we can get that line on the door, so we can get this line going all the way down, so it doesn't look weird. Anyway. That's not a biggie. To finish them fine lines, we'll have to put the doors on and just do the whole lot in one go. So for now, it's fine. All right, so.
Do you want to check measures before, or?
This is pretty much where we had it, right?
Kind of hard to tell when you've been shaving.
But let me put because this is going to get real itchy real quick. Right, fiberglass. We don't like it. My arm's already like covered in fiberglass. It wasn't very well connected there, was it? Look, that just split.
Hachi!
That just split straight from the door skin. That's meant to be joined there. Okay, good, Connor. car, yes, we've done it. It's been a full day of filming and rubbing down and mixing filler, and yeah, we managed to get it to look like one complete car. Yeah. Not at the moment. Hachi! He just wants to attack everyone. No, it's our guard dog. Literally, the guy ran away. The guy legged it. Yeah. He come and legged it. Hachi, what are you doing to the man? What are you doing? Good as a good boy. He's a good boy. A lot of people said it couldn't be done. Yeah. We couldn't put the Sagaris ends, front and rear end onto a Cerbera, but that was a whole. Could it be done? Because the dimensions are so different. The Cerbera is so much bigger than the Sagaris. I don't know how we managed to do it, but we've done it, innit? Yeah, a lot of measuring, a lot of cutting. That will be the next video. Will be us doing the front end, getting the suspension, getting the engine, getting the engine in, getting the gearbox lined up with the back differential, lining up in the tunnel. We might have to cut all the tunnel out to get the gearbox in there. I'm a lot happier. It's one complete car. It looks like what we wanted it to look like. It doesn't look odd at all. We'll finish off all the fine detail once it's in prep. I do like the way it's, as I was doing the fill, I was already starting to imagine how I'm going to cut these lines in and where they're going to lead into the lights and stuff like that. So I'm already visualizing all these curves. And this petrol tank, I think we will relocate the petrol filler cap to the original internal one. I think it looks odd. I kind of like the two, just having the vents by themselves. Yeah. It looks a lot cleaner. I want the car to look clean. I want all nice clean lines, symmetrical, so when you look at it, it doesn't look lopsided. Doors on. We kind of modified the door skin to get a basic shape. What do you think, Hachi? How'd you like it? There's going to be a lot of work getting these door skins right, and I do want to get this line going all the way down to the back. So we're going to do that, but then these hinges, we're not really happy with these hinges. One of them is seized, the door is like not opening properly, and it is touching a bit at the front. Oh. It is touching here at the front, it's touching something there, nothing's touching in there, so we're going to have to
and then also another thing they can pick up on camera is this bit where we have to shape this down, and we were saying where the line is, we'll keep the line there, and then in the front it kind of dips in and it has a shape to it, so we're going to try and carry on that shape through down here as well. So then that way it's level with the door and we've got a nice little shape of it as well. Yeah. Little things.
All these little touches that we'll do in prep, but for now it's pretty much, we've got the doors on, it's going to need some work. We're probably going to make a couple of door skins. We're going to use these doors as a prototype, and they're going to have a ton of filler on it to get it where we want it to be, so we're going to get them right, and then we're going to make a copy of the door skin and then take this door skin off and bond it onto the frame. So we'll have a lighter door and the door that's one piece.
Join us in the next video where Marco, Jamie and Ishmael install the RB26 engine and gearbox. But of course, this isn't going to be straightforward. As we all know, this engine wasn't built for a TVR, especially one that's been cut at both ends.
Guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I don't know, 2-3 weeks we'll have the next video up for the front end. Fingers crossed. We'll catch you in the next one. Yeah.